Hello. I hope you're excited to try out the new template. We'll start by opening our template file on photopea.com. It's a free online app. I'm going to view, I'm going to zoom in, and I want to open my pattern file. Once I have my pattern file opened, I want to install it here on the Photopea app. So we want to go to Define New Pattern, and that will install it. I can go ahead and close out. I want to now add that pattern onto the borders. So we'll go over here into the right menu. I'm going to go ahead and work in the bottom left grouping here. You only have to do one. It's going to fill in all of them for you because I created smart objects. First, we want to work on base layer, which is where we're going to put the pattern. And so we want to go down here to where it says EFF layer style. And we're going to go ahead and add that pattern. And here you'll find all the patterns that you've uploaded. And so we want to select that and OK. Once we have that selected, we can file, save that smart object. Once it says it's saved, we can close out. As you can see, now we have that pattern on all 4 cards. Super fast, very simple. Next step, we want to add an image. So we want to go up to the image layer and once again, click on that tiny little box. Okay, so we want to bring an image into copy into this. So let's open up an image. I'm going to do baking cookies. And I just love her. She's so happy. And we want to go to Edit and Transform Scale. And I'm going to go ahead and reduce her just a little bit. I'm going to go up to Edit, Copy, and then I'm going to come back over here to our rectangle. I'm going to edit. I'm going to paste her in. And then I'm just going to drag her down to about right there. Now, since I want to position my text with my image, and I need to see where the placement's going to be, I'm going to go ahead and put my text here in this panel. So I want to add a new layer. And then I'm going to go ahead and get my text tool. And so we'll click over here and let me see. Baking my way on to the nice list. How about that? That sounds really good. Okay, baking my way onto the nice list. I'm going to click that. And I want to come up and get my select tool. And this is going to allow me to move that and position it onto our card. And looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and put her down a little bit. I eyeball everything. It's a bad habit. You can use the center buttons, but honestly, I don't even know how to use those here on Photopea, so I'm not going to take you there. So for now, we're just going to eyeball it and call it good. It looks great. And so I'm going to go File, save that smart object because it's updated. So we can go ahead and close out of those. And ta-da! We have 4 cards ready to make. And we just need to file, save that PSD. And I'm going to name it Baking Cookies. Oopsie. Try that again. Baking Cookies. And I've done this once already, but I'm going to save that for you so you can see. And then what you're going to want to do is export it also as a PDF. I'm not going to do that because it's going to bring up my Adobe, but save that as a PDF file, and then you'll have it ready to print your cards off when you're ready to print. Okay, well, thank you for stopping by, and I hope that this tutorial has helped you learn how to use my template.